welcome back to Lifern. Today I'm going over the Rubbermaid Balanced Pre-Portioned Meal Kit food storage, and it comes in 3 different colors, so the citron, beet red, and gray. Don't be deceived, this one right here is the gray color, and that's because you see that middle lining right there that you see in that picture. That one's considered the citron. The one I have is the gray, and they're topped with different lids because they represent the types of food group that you're going to go ahead and use them for. And it also comes with a little, almost like a preparation booklet. It tells you ideas on what to pack within those little food group portions, so it makes it a lot easier that way. And as you can see here, these are pre-portioned, and they also have measurements in mLs, so it makes it much easier for you to stick with your diet if you prefer. It comes off out of the whole container like this. That keeps it into place, except if you need to clean it, you can also pop this off, making it much easier to clean. Also, I appreciate the fact that I can take little portions out, like those little cubes out, and microwave if I need to, put some in the fridge if I need to, instead of one whole bulk meal prep container just like that. So as you see here, you can freeze it, you can microwave it, you can dishwash it, and you can also, it's also BPA-free. So very safe. It's not as strong and heavy duty as I feel like I would like it to be, but I wanted to go ahead and just try something out. I mean, I don't throw my bag around everywhere, so it's just much easier for me to have and to organize, and I like everything quite organized like this. So again, it just makes everything much more simple. And this is what I put in for my first meal with this. I put some protein powder, some grains, some strawberries, and a veggie soup. And easily it just pops in like that. The top, on the other hand, it doesn't really pop on with one hand, so you're just gonna make sure that you realign everything so that the little cubes don't fall out of place. Again, it should be a tad bit sturdier than it is, I feel, but it'll do. And it's just as simple as this. And I tested it out and I dropped it a couple times, not dropped it fully of course, but as you see here, it's really easy for it to pop off, so just be very careful. My soup did stay in its container. I was able to microwave my soup, and yeah, other than this little portion right here where it pops off easily, I would give it a 4 out of 5. Put it in this lunch bag, and that's pretty much it. Comment, like, subscribe. Bye.